Okay, so today we are tapping on removing money blocks, opening up to wealth, releasing subconscious beliefs, guilt, and scarcity around money, honey. So, if you're ready to call in the wealth that is truly meant for you, let's get into it. If you haven't done before, it's super fun, super easy. Repeat the affirmations. Follow the points around the body. You can't get this wrong. It's super fun. It's super easy. Let's get into it. So, starting on the karate chop point, let's release some limiting beliefs around money, wealth, and abundance because we don't need those anymore, right? So, even though I've been carrying blocks around money, I deeply and completely love and accept and forgive myself. Even though part of me feels unworthy of wealth, I choose to shift that now. Even though I may have inherited fear or guilt around money, I'm ready to let it go. Let's take a deep breath and release. Let that go. And let's start tapping on, calling in some wealth abundance and new beliefs and stories around money, honey. So let's call it in. I'm releasing the belief that money is hard to earn. I let go of the fear of never having enough. I release the guilt I've carried around wanting more. I release any shame around connecting to money. I don't have to struggle to be worthy. I let go of scarcity conditioning. I no longer carry beliefs that don't serve me. I release what I've learned about lack from others. I clear fear, guilt, and old stories around money. I am rewriting my money story. I choose to see money as supportive and abundant. I'm open to earning in aligned and joyful ways. Money is safe. I am safe. I allow myself to receive fully. I am becoming someone who thrives financially. It is safe to receive more than enough. It is safe to enjoy money without guilt. Money is a tool for freedom, service, and joy. I am worthy of receiving more. I believe in my ability to create wealth. I welcome abundance into my life right now. Money flows to me because I am aligned. I allow ease, flow, and overflow. I choose to feel wealthy right now. I'm open, worthy, and ready to receive. I expect some money miracles. I'm free. I'm abundant. I am expanding. Take a deep breath in and release. Let's affirm together. I release all blocks and open myself to fully receive money, to receive support and overflow with so much ease and so much joy. All right. If that tapping shifted something for you and you're ready to go diving even deeper, hit me up some one-to-one sessions to help you rewire your beliefs, activate confidence, and manifest the life you truly desire. I'll leave the link in the show notes for you to get in touch with some magnetic coaching sessions.